Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing a digital scale. So I picked this one up from the Aldi supermarket for just under $10. So let's open it up and have a look. And it's upside down. Okay, not much in the box, a little bit more packing at the other end. Yep, nothing else in the box. Okay, so we'll take it out of its plastic. A little tag here to isolate the battery. Keep out of reach of children. Uses a CR2032 battery. Max 5 kg with a division of 1 gram. That's not too bad. So there are two buttons here, one for unit, one for on-off. And the display appears to be quite reasonable. This is a part of an in-move robot, weighing in at 19 grams. That is printed in resin. So I have here a bottle of resin. It's supposed to weigh 1 kilo, so let's give that a try. And we come in at 1091 grams. So assuming the bottle weighs around about the 91 gram mark, that's not bad. So in our units, we have grams, pounds and ounces, milliliters, fluid ounces, and kilograms and grams. I didn't notice the kg up in the top in the corner up here before, but there's your grams. And to turn it off, press and hold the on-off button. So 140mm wide, and I will have to get a bigger ruler to measure the length. So there is no tear feature. Well, yes, there is. Okay, so not much to that. Comes with the standard 1-year warranty and an instruction manual. So using the tare feature, when the scale is in use, press the on off button to reset the weight to 0. So the dimensions are 115 millimeters, 190 long, 140 wide, and 15 high. So not a great deal to it. It's a relatively inexpensive, nice looking set of scales that are going to do the job that I need for them, giving me an idea of how much resin I've got left in my bottles and weighing how much parts weigh. That'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe and ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Patreon account and you can join my VIP patrons Go Lucky and Lorenz Berger and my builder patron Aldi 5Kg in supporting the channel. All my patrons get these videos early compared to YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the below or drop into Discord. There'll be a link in the description. I do look at the Discord more often than I do the video comments. And we will see you in the next video.